Oh, hi, I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves paradiddle patterns. So this is a 2-section exercise that repeats on the other side. I love stuff that automatically repeats on the other side because that way I can't get my students to convince me not to do the left side. Because sometimes they try really, really hard. But this one automatically reverses, so that's really, really cool. I'm going to talk you through the sequence, and then we're going to try it without music, and then we're going to try it slow with music, and then we're going to double time. So that's what we're doing today, and let's go ahead and get started. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so the pattern goes single, single, double, single, double, single, single. I'll try to write this out in my post-editing stuff. So it's single, single, double, single, double, single, single. So single, single, double, single, double, single, single. If you need like a visual pattern, it's 2 singles on either end and then a single sandwich with double bread. So 2 singles. Double, single, double, 2 singles. If that helps at all. I don't even think I'm putting it up there. It's probably just going over there. So let's try that together. So paradiddle is the step for the day. Paradiddle, 2, double paradiddle. If you've never done a double paradiddle before or you do it differently, that's fine. How I do it is 2 dig spanks and then step heel. So instead of going dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, now we have dig, spank, step, heel. So that's the only 2 steps we're doing today. There might be a ball change thrown in there, but it's just paradiddles and double paradiddles. And remembering the sequence. Okay, so single, single, double, single, double, single, single. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single. Cool, let's do that again without me calling it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Okay, that's part 1. Part 2 happens right away. We have, starting with the left foot, because that ended with the left foot. That ended with the left foot free. So we have 3 single paradiddles now. Now we have a double paradiddle, 1 more single, 1 more double, ball change. So we still have that paradiddle sandwich with double paradiddle bread, but now we have 3 paradiddles, 3 singles, the sandwich, and then a ball change. I don't know, I'm just gonna call it the sandwich from now on. So 3 singles, double, single, double, ball change. So let's try that together, starting with the left foot. 5, 6, 7, single. 1, 2, 3, now double. Single, double, ball change. All right, let's do that again and I won't call it out so weird. So 5, 6, 7, 8, single. One more time, this time with counts, and then we will put part 1 and part 2 together. Ready? 5, 6, left foot, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, now let's put part 1 and then part 2 together. For those that need to know how many there are of something, I'm going to let you know right now. Because you have the first 2 paradiddles, and then you have the double, single, double sandwich. Then you have those 2 paradiddles at the end of phrase 1, and the 3 at the start of phrase 2. You will be doing 5 singles in a row, just in case anyone needs that. Some people don't want to know that, that's fine. I'm one of those. I don't want to know how many in a row, I just want to know the counts and the pattern. But when you put these together, There are 5 singles in a row, just for anyone that needs to know that. Okay, let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Yeah? Okay, this time with me calling out singles and doubles instead of counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double, single, double, single, 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 double, single, double, ball change. Awesome. So watch what happens at the end. We have the ball change. Now we start the entire thing on the left side. So let's try the whole sequence, starting with the left foot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double, single, double, single, 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 double, single, double, ball change. Awesome. Okay, so hopefully that's going well. Can we try both the first and the second half together, but this time with music? I think music's going to help because I'm not going to just be shouting single and double and those words don't mean anything anymore. Let's try it with a song. The song will keep us on rhythm and in tempo. And yeah, I promise you. And if I don't, make me take this video down, re-edit it and put it back up. I will have the pattern written out because the patterns are tough. They're just tricky. All right, let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Part of the song. There's a couple of people in the audience that are a little like me about like the music phrasing, and you're like, dude, you started at the wrong part. I know, trust me, I know, I'm sorry. I was yelling at myself too. All right, let's try it again. This time I will start us at the correct part of the music so that the phrases line up. Just know which part you're working on, okay? I'm gonna let the music guide us. So, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you've learned that, for those that want to try, if you don't want to, no big deal. You can always rewind the video and do it as many times at that tempo as you want. For those that want to try this, let's go double time. So we're going to go with that song, and it's going to be sing, double. So that's your tempo. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. Focus on the pattern. Relax your feet. You got this. If you don't want to do it this fast, no big deal. You've learned the combination. It's awesome. Try it at your own tempo. But if you want to get a little crazy with me, let's do it. Both sides, right to left. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8E and a, okay? much fun. All right, I hope you guys really enjoyed learning this combination. I had so much fun teaching it to you. I miss doing technique tutorials like this. Let me know if you like this format, if you like the format where it's like just me doing the step and I have the whole thing written out. Let me know which format you like better. But yeah, hopefully you guys had fun with me today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography tutorials, step tutorials, technique exercises, vlogs, challenges, everything that you could want. I think I already said technique exercises, actually. But anyway, everything you could want on this channel, it's all free, it's all tap dance, and it's all for you. All you gotta do is subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the longer I can keep this channel free and going. So please subscribe and also hit that thumbs up button because it tells YouTube that people like tap dance. And we kind of want YouTube to know that. So that helps all channels out there when you hit the thumbs up. So all tap dance channels. Anyway, I don't think it helps channels that tell you about tiny houses. Or it does now because I said the word tiny houses in this video. So can you tell what I watch for fun? All right, so subscribe, thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.